I'm so excited. My Steele Mixer just arrived. I will be posting all the projects that we do with it.
Hi everyone, I just want you to know that I received my Steele Mixer. I'm so excited to use this for all the little projects I have to do around my house. And if I can do it, you can do it. So I put everything on the table, all my bolts and screws in order. I got my screwdriver, wrench, so I'm ready to do it. And there you have it. I did it, a 7-year-old. Look at, even lightweight. And I'm ready to put my Steele Mixer into work. Thank you for watching my first video in 70 years that I've ever made.